Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's video is with my sister-in-law, Shailaja Sathish. She is very sweet, loving and caring. Shailaja started to learn cooking with interest and now she cooks great dishes. Let's enjoy today's special chat recipe. My very special thanks to Lakshit Raghav for recording this video so professionally. Thank you Lakshit for your great work. Wishing you all the very best.
Hello everyone. Today let's see how to make a simple Bhel Puri. Before we start, let's check the ingredients. Big bowl of puffed rice, 2 big onions finely chopped, 1 big carrot grated, 2 medium potatoes boiled and smashed, 1 big tomato chopped, I've removed the seeds, 1 medium cucumber chopped, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, masala peanuts, kara bundi, make chutney. For that I have taken 1 cup of washed coriander leaves, 1 cup of washed mint leaves, 2 green chilies. You can add more chilies if you want spice. 1 inch ginger, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 tablespoon tamarind juice. If you want tangy, you can add more. 1 tablespoon jaggery. If you're giving for kids, you can add extra jaggery. 1 whole lemon juice. Salt as required. Now grind it to a fine paste. Chutney is ready. Usually for Bhel Puri, green chutney and sweet chutney will be made. Here I have combined both the chutneys together. So now let's get started. The puffed rice in the mixing bowl. Now add chopped onions, carrot, smashed potatoes, tomato, cucumber, red chili powder, peanut, kara bundi, save, green chutney, coriander, now give it a nice mix. Bhel Puri is ready. We can serve. Finally, garnish with some save, coriander leaves. it's ready to eat. Try this recipe and post your comments. Like, share and subscribe Shreya's cooking channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you, Shailu and Lakshit, for this great recipe. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Take care and stay safe.